Hello everyone, myself Lawson here. Today I am going to teach you about one poem, that is village song from class 10th. So let us open your book Village Song, that is written by Sarojini Naidu. I want to teach you only one stanza from this poem. So let us read. Please open your book. Honey child, whither are you going? Would you cast your jewels all to the breezes blowing? Would you leave the mother who on golden grain has fed you? Would you grieve the lover who is riding forth to wed you? This poem was written by Sarojini Naidu. First of all, so we have to know viewpoint about the Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born 1879 on February 13. Then she died 1949. She was freedom fighter and poet. And she was the first woman president of the National Congress. And she was popularly known as Nightingale of India. This poem has derived from her book, that is The Golden Threshold. Then this poem has basically described about the marriage, Indian culture. India has vast culture, religion, languages, caste, etc. etc. According to this diversity, the culture and the ceremonies, etc. etc. also was different. Among these culture or celebration, marriage is the most important in human life. When the human body grows and puts step into the young age, every parents want to give marriage to them. So here one family has written the family member. There are only two. One that is mother and one that is her daughter. When a mother arranged all things to give Mary to her daughter, but the daughter does not agree to marry according to his choice. So a mother asking to him with surprisingly or strangely to her daughter. First of all, we are going to know about the stanzas. Honey child, honey means that is beloved or beloving words of every parents unto his or their children. Whither are you going? Where are the daughter is going? Ba kuade ଯାଉଛୁ ବୋଲି ସେ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନ ପଚାରୁଛନ୍ତି. Then would you cast your jewels all to the breezes blowing? Breezes means that is wind or ପବନ ଯାହା ଆମେ କହୁ, cast ମାନେ ଫିଙ୍ଗି ଦେବା, jewels ଅଳଙ୍କାର, blowing ଯୋଉଟା ପବନ ବହୁଛି. ପବନର ଧାରାରେ ବା ପବନର ଗତିରେ ସବୁ ଯାହା ଅଳଙ୍କାର ସାଇତି ରଖିଥିଲି ବା ତ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଆରେଞ୍ଜ କରିଥିଲି ସେଟାକୁ ବାହାର କରିକି ତମେ ପବନରେ ଫିଙ୍ଗି ଦେଇକି ତମେ କୁଆଡ଼େ ଯାଉଛ କି? Would you leave to the mother who on golden grain has fed you? ସମସ୍ତ ବାପା ମା ଛୁଆମାନଙ୍କୁ ସେମାନେ ଗେହ୍ଲାରେ ବଢ଼େଇଥାନ୍ତି. ସୋ ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେମାନେ ପେଟରେ ଦାନା ନଥିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ନିଜର ଛୁଆମାନଙ୍କ ଯତ୍ନ ସେମାନେ ନେଇଥାନ୍ତି. ସେମାନେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ଖାଦ୍ୟ, ପୁଷ୍ଟିକର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଖାଇଥାନ୍ତି. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ଜନ୍ମ ନେଉ, ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ବାପା ମା ଆମକୁ ସେମାନେ ସୁନ୍ଦର ସେବା ଦେଇକି, ସୁନ୍ଦର ପୁଷ୍ଟି ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଇକି, ସୁନ୍ଦର ବସ୍ତ୍ର ଦେଇକି ସେ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ବଢ଼େଇଛନ୍ତି. ତ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସେ ଆମମାନଙ୍କୁ ଯାହା ମଧ୍ୟ ଛୋଟ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଦେଇଥାନ୍ତି, ତାଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ସେଟା ଆମ ନିମନ୍ତେ ସୁନା ବା ପୁଷ୍ଟିକର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଭାବରେ ଗଣାଯାଏ. ସୋ mother asking to her daughter, I had feed you, ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ଖୁଆଇଥିଲି ପୁଷ୍ଟିକର ଖାଦ୍ୟ ବା କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଲ୍ଡେନ ଗ୍ରେନ୍ସ। ତ ସେ ଖାଦ୍ୟ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ତୁ ଭୁଲିଗଲୁ କି ଯାହା ମୁଁ ତତେ ହାତ ଧରି ଶିଖେଇଥିଲି ଚାଲିବାକୁ, କଥା କହିବାକୁ ଶିଖେଇଥିଲି, ବଡ଼ କରିକି ଲାଳନ ପାଳନ କରୁଥିଲି, ସେ କଥା ତୁ କ'ଣ ଭୁଲି ଯାଇଛୁ କି? ତ ମୋ କଥାରେ ତୁ ଅବମାନନା କରିକି why you are going to far from me? Would you leave the mother who on golden grain has fed you? जो माँ की तुमको सुनार खाद्य पुष्टिकर खाद्य प्रभुटार सेवा करिकी तोर खुशी रे खुशी दुख रे दुख हेतिली ताकू तू भूली जाइछु कि जे ता कथा को भांगी की तू पड़े जाउछु। Would you grieve the lover who is riding forth with you? जे इठी कहउचंती जे मु जहा को ठीक करछि तो सहित बाहा हबा पई बा विवाह हबा पई जे कि तते सुना सवारी रे बसे की तुमको बहु करी से नहीं जीव ताकू तू छाड़ी की तू अराजी है कि अमन है कि तू छाड़ी की जाउछु कि बोले तार मां तार झियो को पचारू छंती। तो इठी जेतेबेले आमे देखिया ए झियो से विवाह हबा पई चाहू नहीं, से मां को कथा को न सुनी से कौन करुछि वांट्स टू गो अनदर साइड, कहीं कि तार बड़े चॉइस अच्छी इच्छा अच्छी जे बाहागर छाड़ी की आ गोटे कौन जिनस पसंदर विषय अच्छी जो कि से कौन अच्छी तार माँ रो प्रपोजाल से आग्री हो नहीं। ताहले आग को आमे देखिया कौन से विषय अच्छी जे से झियो तांको माँ को कथार से अमान्य है कि तांको माँ रो प्रपोजाल रे काटिक से अन्य आड़ को जावाई चाहूँ। तो आमे आज ए विषय रे पढ़ले तो यदि आमे डिफिकल्ट वर्ड्स गुड़ा देखिया ताले हनी चाइल्ड, हनी मीन्स एडी हमको कौन कहा जाए जे बापा मांकर गोटे प्रिय शब्द जोरा कि आमे कहू विथ माने कौन होची केउठा को। तो वुड यू कास्ट यूज ज्वेलर्स, कास्ट माने कौन फिंगी दबा, ज्वेलर्स माने अलंकार, ब्रिजेस मीन्स पवन, गोल्डन ग्रेन्स माने पुष्टिकर खाद्य, फीड माने खाइथिले। एठी रहिला ग्रीफ, ग्रीफ माने मनर दुख जंत्रणा, लवर्स, लवर मीन्स एठी बर को बुझाए जोरा कि तांको मां तार झियो निमंते ठीक करथिले। राइडिंग फॉर्थ यू, फॉर्थ माने आगो को, राइडिंग माने सवारी करी नेबा, वेड माने विवाह करे। तो एठी मु शेष रे तुम पई केतरा प्रश्न पचारिया पई चाहे से प्रश्न रो उत्तर लिखिकी तमे निजे अभ्यास करियो। तो प्रथमे आमे प्रश्न जिबा 1 नंबर प्रश्न जे व्हाई डू इज मदर कॉल टू हेर डॉटर हनी चाइल्ड। तो द्वितीय प्रश्न रे आमे जिबा द मदर व्हिच फूड had feed her daughter। देन 3 नंबर क्वेश्चन होछि who will riding forth to the daughter। तीनटा प्रश्न रो उत्तर लेखिकी अभ्यास कर। सो थैंक यू सो मच, दिस इज only for today and see you again tomorrow. Thank you.